How to find page post likes notification settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page post likes notification settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click pages and select your page, and now click this settings icon in the top corner and then click notifications and here click on Facebook, and now all you do is just you will find this one here, new likes on page posts. Just turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.